the size difference here is unbelievable. And so is Louis' reaction, actually. So this is my new red factor canary. Gravitated straight to Louis, who is the red factor canary as well. Now, they're both in very close proximity, and Louis hasn't reacted hostile at all, if not a bit surprised. My new one, he's very, very young. Don't think Jojo will... See, Jojo's ignoring him as well. It's very strange, actually. There he is, look. Gravitates right back to Louis. This is a very young red factor canary male. Very young. I mean, look at his size compared to Louis. He's tiny. He's also used to perching and not so used to yet walking on the flat sills, so he slips every so often. Very strange. I expected him to be greeted hostilely, actually. Particularly by Jojo, but Jojo made absolutely no attempt to snap at him, which I thought he would. And Louis is not sort of... Louis seems quite taken with him, actually, which is a bit weird. He obviously thinks, because Louis is the same colour as him, it's very strange. You see, I'm surprised that Jojo isn't up charging at him. I really am. All the rest of the bears are on there. Toby is just watching from... there, you see, he's gravitated straight towards Toby. Toby's the other canary. He can sing, although all he's done at the moment is alarm. Those are alarm calls that he was making there. Already knows to wash himself. He's a fast learner, is this one. He'll probably be singing by the end of the day. If anything sets Jojo off, it's somebody else using what he considers his bath. Don't get too near. I didn't really need another male canary, but when I saw him and how small he was, I just had to have him. He does have a lovely song. I don't know if it's because he's showing absolutely no fear at all that the rest of the canaries are acting like this or not. They wouldn't usually be. Anyway, I mean, look at them in a conflab there, wondering what the hell is going on. I might need to put some more water in that now. He's just sprayed it absolutely everywhere. Oops. He's really having some balance issues on those on those sills. Really having some balance issues. He is a very young canary. I wouldn't be surprised if this was his first molt, actually. You're seeing some of the... He's scratching himself against the post there because there's some pin feathers, nasty pin feathers around his beak. And I wouldn't be surprised if this is his first, do you know what I mean? He's certainly the smallest canary that I've ever seen. And I've seen a few canaries, so... I think they're going to get on alright though.